Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the media creation tool for Windows 11 has been once again updated. I think this is nice. It seems that they are now doing a monthly update for the media creation tool when you want to have the latest Windows 11 image to install and make a USB thumb drive with. So I will share the link once again to the page because it is a useful page if you want to download a copy of Windows 11 version 25H2. And of course, when using the media creation tool with the installation media, you have the latest, greatest updates on it. So the Patch Tuesday updates of April 2026 are on that image. So that means that pretty much nothing to download, as you will be up to date for now. So this is a request we've been having for a long time that Microsoft update its image with the latest security updates and the latest updates. And for a long time, they would just leave it there for months and months and months before they would update anything. Now, it's very important to have the latest. You need to download it through the media creation tool. I've had that question asked a few times. What if I download the disk image directly? It seems that if you download the disk image directly, you will have a disk image that is several months old. So to create the tool, to create the USB thumb drive, using the media creation tool is the way to do it, because that's where it will streamline the latest updates on that USB thumb drive that you're creating, so that the install of Windows will have the latest update on it. So I will share the link to this page in the description below. This is where you should always go to get the latest image for Windows, and nowhere else than here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.